Damn, that was my fault.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Give it gas, please. See, I keep it real. I kept the video running as I was fumbling like a little girl. I forgot to turn the fuel pump on. I didn't want to flood the motor. That's just paint. That's smoke. That's paint I recently put. Just the paint burning off. I added about an hour ago. All right? The paint burning off the headers. Paint burning off the headers. Give it a rum. Let me see if it settled out. Yeah, good. You don't have to give it gas no more. Thank you, Bob. Look at Bob's hat. Summit Racing Equipment. I thank you, sir, again. That was, I had to bang the damn starter. Just let it run. This back. TA Performance. I love y'all. I love y'all. God bless you, especially Mike. God bless your entire family, TA Performance. I love y'all. Thank y'all very much for a great company and great Buick performance products. Matter of fact, you know, let me pause this. I don't think I've ever used this feature. I just want to put this cardboard away. That's what I use when I'm here at the garage to bang the starter. LT1 Chevy starter. Put the cardboard back. Baby called me, but I was out here, so I'm excited, especially due to the fact the distributor is fine. I'm excited. She called and I said, I'll call you back at exactly 3:20, if I'm not mistaken. And I did, but she didn't pick up. No, it was 3:23 when I actually called her back. So when she calls, I'm gonna say, hey girl, you know I got everything right now. And I thank you guys very much at the Buick 400, 430, and 455 All Performance page of Eric Alvino. I thank you guys very much. Peace and love. God bless each and every one of you and your family and friends. Have a great New Year 2020. Change begins within and with God. God bless. Peace and love.